Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video. I'm just about to get onto the train heading into London. I'm actually going to be a guest on True Geordie's live show today, which I'm very much looking forward to cover the Man United Liverpool and also the West Ham Burnley game. So excited about that. And I've got a great video for you guys today. We are now 1 week since the Wembley Cup. Just want to say thank you so much to all of you, for not only supporting what I do on this channel, but also everything we do on Spencer's channel and #United. It really is sort of summed up with days like last week at Wembley, where we have 34,000 of you coming down for the day to watch, millions watching at home, getting to share the pitch with people like Steven Gerrard, all because you guys support the content. So massive, massive thank you. I mean, that day was incredible, no matter what happened on the pitch, but to get the win for the club, for #United, for the #Army, made it even more special. I was delighted as well to get a cheeky little assist. Sebby does love an assist for #, so I was delighted to get one, putting that through ball through for Charlie Morley, and oh, what a finish from the lad. So really, really, really good. Didn't get to do the golf celebration, didn't get on the score sheet, but it's not all about getting the goals. Sometimes it's just about a team performance, and I'm so grateful to be able to take part in events like that. And to show you how grateful I am, I'm going to start this video with a cheeky Wembley Cup giveaway. So here we have, next to me in the car, my #United Wembley Cup training top that I wore in some of the episodes, and also the starting 11 card that was used by us in the change rooms when we laid out the starting 11 for our manager of the day, Martin Keown. So guys, you can get your hands on this lovely, lovely garment. All you've got to do to have a chance of winning those lovely Wembley Cup items is watch the rest of this video, and later on I'm going to be taking you guys over to France, where I went and played the Ryder Cup course for next year's Ryder Cup, Le Golf National. And I asked you a question later in the video and I asked you to leave a comment. So watch through, enjoy the video, drop a like if you do like it, and make sure you listen out for that question I ask you and leave your comment below. I'm going to pick one of you guys to win that lovely item. Make sure you leave in the comment a way of getting in contact with you guys, whether that's a Twitter, Instagram or an email, and I'll be in touch with the winner soon. Enjoy the video, guys. Yes guys, welcome back to Seb on Golf. I am in France. I'm at Le Golf National, which is going to be the host course for the 2018 Ryder Cup. That's right, the raucous, unbelievably exciting Europe versus USA team match play event that dominates the headlines whenever it's on, every 2 years, and this is the host venue. I've been brought out here by Bushnell, who are the laser rangefinder market dominators in this space. You may see me playing around when I'm playing my golf with a little device aiming at the target. That's like a laser rangefinder that tells me how far it is to the target. So it's very, very crucial when you're playing in a competitive situation. So I'm out here not just to check out the course and the home of next year's Ryder Cup, but also to check out their brand new products. I'm going to show you some of those later on, but for now let's have a little look around. We've got here, look at them building a whole new hotel to house all the players and guests for the event next year. They've got 2 golf courses here at the Golf National, and today we are playing the Albatross course, which is the main championship golf course. So we're playing like a little Ryder Cup format, funnily enough. There's Reds v Blues, mocking the Europe v USA thing. I'm actually playing with the managing director of Bushnell, so I'm very excited to get out there, get warmed up, loosen that back up, and have some fun. Let's do it. Right, time to get over to the first tee. Playing a little Ryder Cup format. There's loads of guests here from Bushnell today, from all over the world, and everyone's been split up into 2 teams, Reds and Blue, representing Europe and the US. I'm on Team Red, which is representing the US, which is fine, and I'm playing with Nicholas, and myself and Nicholas are taking on the managing director of Bushnell, Andrew, and his partner in a little doubles match. There's also a singles Stableford as well, so there might be a few cheeky prizes to be won at the gala dinner tonight. We shall see. time to go to the first tee. And we are off. First tee shots are done. I'm playing with Nicholas today. Is it Nicholas or Nick? Nicholas or Nick?
Nick.
Nick.
We'll go with Nick.
I'm playing with Nick today. We are in Team USA. We both hit our opening drives down the fairway, hopefully. It's a bit of an interesting hole, as you can see here. There's water pretty much everywhere. Water comes in a lot quicker on the left than it does on the right. So the idea is to go down the right middle. I think I've gone down the left middle, so hopefully it is still dry. What do you think, Nick? We're going to be alright or not?
Yeah, I hope so. I think so.
Let's have a look. Oh, hang on, ball's gone there. We'll be well long. I'll be straight in the water.
Oh, no.
Good start. Right, so this is actually a glimpse of this product we're looking at here today. This is the Bushnell. Is it the V4?
Yeah, the V4 shift.
So that is the device, and Nick is now pointing it down at the flag down there, which, as you can see, is quite a way away. And how far, you just don't know, but that thing tells you. So how far is it, Nick?
162.
So it's just telling you, it's 162 yards away to that flag, but this new version of the V4 also tells you a thing called slope adjustment, which is basically, if it's downhill, obviously the ball goes further. If it's uphill, the ball goes less far. So it gives you an adjusted yardage. So what was your real life yardage there?
It was actually 162 dead on still.
Oh, 162, this is a flat shot. So we'll test that slope out later on. So 162, so what club are you going for, Nick? Okay, nice. Oh yeah, it's all over it. It's all over it. Oh yeah, great shot. A ripple of applause from the galleries as well down there. So there's the device, the Bushnell V4. They're the laser thingies, we're going to call them. And here is the bit you look through, the viewfinder. Oh, that's delightful. Out on the 8th hole now. The wind's picked up right high part of the golf course now, but the sun is coming out as well. It's a really, really nice day. Still that little bit nippy. I'm hoping to get this jumper off in a minute. Get the arms out, maybe get a bit of colour. But we're now on the 8th, and it is 1 up to myself and Nick. Team red. We just lost stroke index 2, long par 4, excellent 5 for 3 for Andrew. And here is what we face now. The 8th hole, par 3, downhill. That slope option on the Bushnell V4 will be very handy here. Right, so let's give this a go now and see exactly how far downhill it is. Exactly. Right, it's 189 yards to the pin, but it's downhill, so the slope rating on this says it's actually playing 181 yards, which is nearly the entire club's difference. This can tell you how valuable a tool like this can be. Hit one club wrong, it could be short of the green, it could be long of the green. That excellent shot that could have been a nice tap-in birdie, or maybe even a hole-in-one, you'll be nowhere near it, just got the wrong club. So that's what these things are useful for. So 189 downhill into the wind. I'm probably going to hit a little 4 hybrid, I think, into this. So let's see how we get on. Just come up short. Left the face a little bit open, didn't quite get on the green, but I've got a nice little uphill chip now. Try and make up and down, save my par. Tell you what, I can see why the Ryder Cup is coming here. Look at the finish to this golf course. This is the 15th, par 4, an absolute ocean all the way down the right hand side, and then an island green there. You can see another island green over the back, and then look at this for the 16th, par 3, hotel and clubhouse in the background, island green again, or water everywhere. Imagine the drama. Imagine you have thousands of Europeans and Americans all on these banks here, all at the back there, all down there, all around there, all going absolutely nuts. It is going to be sensational. Just had a very, very close shave for birdie on stroke index 1 there. In fact, I filmed it on Instagram story, so maybe I'll put that video up here somewhere right now. Oh. Right, last one. And we are done. I'm back in my room, had a very, very good day's golfing out there. A lot of fun. Hitting it pretty good actually. Off the tee, very good. Short game was pretty good. And the irons are coming along. Massive thanks to Bushnell for inviting me out here and to get the chance to see some of that golf course, which is seriously upper echelon, if you like. Ryder Cup will be here next year, and those 4 finishing holes are just phenomenal. Like, they really are. The course was good. The greens are crazy good. But those last 4 holes are something special, and all the matches that go to those final 4 holes next year at the Ryder Cup are going to be magnificent to watch, so I'm buzzing for that. All in all, a very short but a very sweet trip. I did leave the UK at 4 AM, or I got up at 4 AM this morning, and I've come out here for a full day's golf. Bit of food, good fun, good company, really enjoyable. Now going to go down for a spot of dinner, and then back home. So it's now time for me to go and find out what the evening has in store. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please leave a like rating on the video if you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And leave me a comment and let me know why you love the Ryder Cup. I know why I love it. It's the most exciting way of watching golf. Did you see Patrick Reed and Rory McIlroy last year? Europe versus USA. It was insane. That is why I love the Ryder Cup. Tell me why you love the Ryder Cup. Leave me a comment below. And I'll see you next time.